So this is the area. This is the section that's most important for you to buy yourself some time. Make sure that a GA4 property isn't created automatically. This is the place to go. So you go to settings, you jump over the GA4 setup assistant. This is inside of a universal analytics property, by the way. And then when you scroll down, you're going to see automatically set up GA4 property. It gives you a little blurb where it talks about July 1st being the cutoff date, but something that they're not really actively saying outside of like things that you'll see at the top, banners that you'll see at the top, is in March, they're going to automatically start pushing UA properties into GA4 properties, and they're going to start creating GA4 properties for people who don't already have those set up. So in order to stop that from happening, you just click this. Easy. Still got to get set up before July though. So I highly recommend either picking up our playbook so that you can walk through it step by step without our help, or you can reach out to us and we will help you through the audit. Through the setup for GA4. All right, thanks.